What's going on, guys? Adam here, AtoZbodyfitness, and today we're going to go over a few exercises I like to do to help you build your glutes. Now we're going to get right into it. Just remember to control the movement. We're going to go over a few other pointers at the end of the video after we've gone through all the exercises. Let's go. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. So when you're doing any of the exercises, just remember you're always going to press through the ball of the foot and the heel, and you're going to control the motion as much as you can. The more controlled you are and even the slower you go, the more muscle tearing and the more growth over time. Now another keynote exercise that you can do here, which I didn't do because the setup that I have now doesn't really accustom for it, I'm still waiting for a few other things to get moved around, but are glute bridges. Those are really good too. They can be a little harder to do for somebody who's just starting out. You just have to make sure you thrust your hips up and squeeze your glutes, but that's another one that you can add to the list when it comes to building your glutes as well. Now some of you might be wondering why I didn't add donkey kickbacks or standing kickbacks, heel kickbacks, whatever you want to call them. The reason why is, although those are good and they can isolate your glute muscles, they're not typically the best thing for beginners to do because they don't know how to get good mind to muscle connection or activate their glutes to the best of their ability. Not saying not to do those. You can add those into your routine, but I would make them secondary. I would get used to doing exercises like the ones I just showed you first. Get really good at understanding how to do the movements and get really good at understanding how to engage your muscle better, and then add those in along the way as well, as those will also work out your glutes at the same time. But I'm a big proponent of learning the actual fundamental exercises, understanding how to activate your muscles with certain exercises like the ones I just showed you, get really good at them, and then branch off from there and try different things and be creative. Alright guys, if you liked the video, click like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know what you thought of the video, and I'll see you guys around.